Hello everyone. So in this video today I'm going to compare 4K video quality between Canon EOS R using Canon RF35mm f1.8 lens, and the other side I'm using Samsung S21 Ultra 4K 30 on both cameras, 4K on the phone and 4K on my Canon EOS R. So tell me, how is the quality looks right now? As you know, on the Canon EOS R there is a huge crop when you record in 4K 30 frames per second. It's a 1.6x crops on the Canon EOS R, but on the other hand on the phone there is no crop. So this is the video coming from Canon EOS R, and this is coming from Samsung S21 Ultra, both on the same tripod. So tell me, how is the video quality looks? I think it's pretty the camera is pretty high. Let me put this little bit down. All right, so tell me guys, how is the video quality right now compared to both Canon and Samsung S21 Ultra? However, I'm gonna use the one microphone from my Canon EOS R, which I attached to the DJI wireless microphone system. Hopefully the audio is good. So I'll show you some other video as well. All right, let's switch to the trees and I'm gonna show you some of the footage of the trees. This is handheld video using my tripod. And by the way, the settings on the Canon EOS R is auto, similar to my phone. On my phone is also everything in auto mode, 4K 30. However, in the Samsung S21 Ultra can record 8K 24 frame per second video as well, just to let you know guys. Alright guys, now we are going inside this small forest and see the sound quality and the video quality inside the small forest. It's pretty quiet in here. I'm very surprised with the phone stabilization. Seems very stable in my hand. This is handheld footage I'm using. Even though the Canon EOS R does has image stabilization, but this image video does not look like very stable. So we're gonna go to the water side. There is water at the side of this. Complete handheld footage from both cameras, 4K 30. All right, I do see water here. So as you can see, Canon does has a crop, so it's probably gonna be a little bit closer to the water. I'm trying to be as stable as possible with my camera. I think I can go down from other way, but let's just walk around a little bit more. So the other side of the water there is a road, so the road noise also coming from that side. All right, that's much better. So I keep a little bit lower. Now we are almost out. You can hear the bird. I do have a, oh, it's a very tiny bird. If you can see, sitting right here. You can probably zoom in with my S21 Ultra. Yep, this is where the zoom helps. Well, let's see if it can get in focus. Seems like it's trying to focus, but it's not. Let me get a little bit back. I think there is no autofocus in 4K. Yeah, probably in the 3x zoom there is. So let's go back to the normal. I'm surprised that this bird is not flying away. Alright, handheld footage. Camera does have a micro capability, but it's not switching. Alright, I'm gonna try to go to the water side from this pathway. Can't get to the This is video coming from Canon RF 100 to 400 mm lens. As you can see, focus is pretty fast, and you can also get pretty close to the subject. This is 4K 30 frame video.